The Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Cooperation, in partnership with the Japan International Cooperation Agency, or JICA, held a workshop on trade facilitation and customs modernization in Dili. The workshop aimed to strengthen the capacity of government officials and stakeholders in improving trade procedures, enhancing customs services, and supporting Timor-Leste's economic integration into regional and international markets. Participants discussed best practices in trade facilitation, customs modernization, and measures to promote a more efficient and transparent trading environment.
For instance, JICA has dispatched customs experts to Lao PDR, while the Ministry of Finance of Japan has offered technical guidance and training. I'm delighted that these experiences are now being shared with Timor-Leste. Japan also being engaged directly with the Customs Authority of Timor-Leste. JICA has provided training in collaboration with WCO, and
the initiative forms part of ongoing cooperation between Timor-Leste and JICA to support economic development, institutional capacity building, and the country's preparation for deeper regional integration, including ASEAN commitments.
Thus, the workshop will have enough time to discuss issues and action plans to be implemented. Also, we hope the workshop will continue to further strengthen cooperation among Timor-Leste, Lao PDR, and Japan.
This workshop is made possible thanks to the enduring partnership between the Timor-Leste Customs Authority and the people and government of Japan, which has started since the establishment of our Customs Authority. This collaboration has provided crucial capacity building, modernized the trade infrastructure, and streamlined international customs procedures. As Timor-Leste advanced toward ASEAN integration, the modernization of customs operation and implementation of the national single window remain the key national priority to efficiency and reduce cargo release time and enhance transparency.
The workshop is expected to contribute to improving trade competitiveness, reducing barriers to commerce, and fostering sustainable economic growth in Timor-Leste.